Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been looking at your backyard lately and thinking it's missing that special something, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into one of the most magical ways to instantly upgrade your outdoor space. The ultimate backyard garden fire pit. Whether you have a massive sweeping lawn or a tight, cozy garden corner, a fire pit can completely rewrite the vibe of your home. We're going to show you exactly how to take a simple patch of grass and turn it into a jaw-dropping evening escape that your friends and family will never want to leave. Let's get started. When we talk about a backyard garden fire pit, we aren't just talking about a place to burn wood. We are talking about creating a dedicated, intentional outdoor hub that blends landscaping with functional architecture. It is an artistic focal point designed to anchor your yard, using elements like stone, brick, gravel, or pavers to create a visual destination in your garden. Choosing to install a fire pit is one of the smartest design moves you can make because it effortlessly extends your living space into the great outdoors, keeping you warm through cool autumn nights and providing a natural, screen-free gathering zone. It increases your property's usable footprint, adds incredible ambient lighting, and gives you a reason to enjoy your garden long after the sun goes down. Transforming your backyard garden into a cozy outdoor retreat doesn't have to be complicated. One of the simplest yet most inviting additions you can make is a garden fire pit. From intimate nooks to expansive entertainment zones, discover how the addition of a backyard fire pit can elevate your backyard garden ambience and create unforgettable moments with friends and family. Let's dive into the flames and discover the endless possibilities of fire pit garden landscaping. With these 14 backyard fire pit garden landscaping ideas, you can create a stunning outdoor retreat that reflects your personal style and enhances your quality of life. One, desert landscape. Embrace the warmth and beauty of the desert landscape by incorporating native succulents and cacti varieties such as prickly pear, barrel cactus, and agave. Arrange these drought-tolerant plants around the fire pit to create a natural barrier while adding texture and visual interest to the space. 2. Hexagonal stone pavers. To achieve this look, opt for a sleek and modern fire pit constructed from durable materials such as stainless steel or concrete. Surround the fire pit with linear seating, such as benches or low-profile chairs, arranged in a straight or angular formation to complement the clean lines of the fire pit. The stone pavers tie the entire setup together for a relaxed and modern feel. 3. Sunken hardscape. Design a deck with comfortable seating, such as lounge chairs or floor cushions, positioned around the fire pit to create a cozy atmosphere. The sunken landscaping element provides an additional, cozy feel perfect for late-night chats by the fire. Incorporate elements like built-in benches or railings to provide additional seating and safety, and enhance the ambience with soft lighting, such as string lights or solar-powered lanterns, to illuminate the deck without disrupting the starlit sky. 4. Formal hedges. Surround the fire pit with flower beds bursting with colorful blooms, such as roses, peonies, and lavender, to create a vibrant and fragrant backdrop. The formal hedges enhance the cozy ambience and create a backyard fire pit destination similar to a secret garden. 5. On astroturf. Incorporating sculptural elements into your fire pit design adds a touch of creativity and visual interest, turning a functional feature into a stunning focal point. From abstract metal sculptures to intricately carved stone motifs, the possibilities are endless when it comes to infusing artistic flair into your fire pit. 6. Cozy, simple backyard fire pit. Incorporate hygge accents such as warm blankets, plush cushions, and flickering candles to create a welcoming and intimate atmosphere. Opt for natural materials like wood and stone to complement the rustic aesthetic, and add touches of Scandinavian design with clean lines and minimalist decor. 7. Ornamental grasses. Arrange the Adirondack chairs in a circle around the fire pit to encourage intimate conversations and cozy gatherings. Opt for wooden Adirondack chairs for a traditional touch, or choose colorful, weather-resistant versions to add a pop of personality to your outdoor space. Laying down stone pavers and adding ornamental grasses around the fire pit completes the look. 8. Greenery wall. Surrounding the fire pit with dense foliage such as tall bushes, ornamental grasses, and leafy trees creates a natural barrier, providing a sense of seclusion while enhancing the ambience with the sights and sounds of nature. Adding in gravel gives this backyard fire pit a rustic look that's sure to please. 9. Overlooking a pool. Imagine lounging on comfortable outdoor furniture beside the shimmering waters of your pool, with the warm glow of the fire pit casting a soft, inviting ambience. This combination offers the perfect setting for unwinding after a long day, hosting intimate gatherings with friends, or simply enjoying quiet moments of reflection. 10. Xeriscaped yard. The panoramic deck provides ample space for comfortable seating, allowing you and your guests to relax and unwind while taking in the surrounding scenery. This elevated fire pit design transforms your backyard into a tranquil retreat where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And the Xeriscape features mean it's low maintenance too. 11. Rock garden landscape. Start by designing a circular or rectangular fire pit, using natural materials reminiscent of traditional Japanese gardens like stone or gravel. Surround the fire pit with carefully arranged rocks, gravel, and minimalist greenery such as bonsai trees, bamboo, and moss, creating a serene backdrop for relaxation and contemplation. 12. Stone paver patio path. This thoughtfully designed pathway not only enhances accessibility to your fire pit, but also adds a touch of elegance, guiding guests to a cozy, central gathering spot in your outdoor living area. Choose durable, aesthetically pleasing stone pavers that complement the overall design of your garden and home exterior. Lay the pavers in a deliberate pattern, ensuring each stone is securely placed and level to form a stable, visually appealing path. 13. Stone walkway. Creating a fire pit with a stone walkway is a fantastic way to add functionality and aesthetic appeal to your outdoor space. Start by choosing a location for the fire pit that is safe and offers comfortable seating space. Opt for natural stones like flagstone or slate to build the fire pit, and design a walkway that leads directly to this focal point. 14. Pea gravel patio. Creating a pea gravel patio with a fire pit offers a rustic yet elegant outdoor space that's perfect for gatherings or quiet evenings. Excavate the area to about 6 inches deep, ensuring proper drainage by slightly sloping the surface away from your home. Add a generous layer of pea gravel, smoothing it to create an even surface. Surround your fire pit with comfortable seating, and you're ready to enjoy your new outdoor retreat. Whether you prefer rustic charm, modern elegance, or tropical paradise, there's a fire pit designed to suit every taste and space. So gather your friends and family, light up the fire, and enjoy unforgettable moments in your backyard haven. As you can see, a great fire pit setup doesn't just change the look of your yard, it changes how you live and experience your home. From simple rustic gravel circles to elegant stone-walled zones enveloped by lush green plants, there is a design out there that fits your style and budget perfectly. Bringing a glow to your garden is all about creating comfort, warmth, and a stunning view to look at from your back window. Take these ideas, look at your unique space, and imagine where your new favorite evening spot is going to go. If you love these design ideas and are ready to upgrade your outdoor living, make sure to hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for your weekly dose of landscaping inspiration, and drop a comment below telling me which of these fire pit styles was your absolute favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.